My name's Joe Bull, the company name is JoeCo, and this is our new product called the Blackbox Recorder. What it's aimed at is the live music industry for recording up to 24 tracks of 24-bit, 96 kilohertz material in a 1U box. Yeah? It plugs directly into the insert points on a typical analog desk, yeah, and records everything down onto a standard USB 2 drive running effectively with a FAT32 format in broadcast WAV format. So at the end of the gig, you can unplug the drive, take it back to your studio, plug it directly into your workstation, doesn't matter whether it's a Mac workstation or a PC, and play the files directly back off that drive instantly at the end of the gig. Meanwhile, you've only got a 1U rack unit actually going into the actual gig itself. It has a completely touch panel front panel. So this bottom unit here is just being used as a playback device. Top unit here is being used as a recorder. So we tell it we want to go into record. Instantly goes into record, yeah, and just starts recording the audio, as you can see here. Once we're in record, we've got the ability to adjust the headphone volumes here, if you can just see there. Yeah. We also, if we want to, can go through and preview individual tracks. So if we're particularly worried about, say, whether the hi-hat is being recorded properly, you can just focus in on that hi-hat track and just monitor it for confidence purposes directly on the headphones. Because it's designed for the live environment, we've made sure that you can't just accidentally press stop. Yeah? You have to hold the stop button down, working on the principle that it needs to be easy to go into record and difficult to come out of record. Yeah? In terms of the menu structure, yeah, you've got a fairly familiar menu structure where you use this, the wheel here to decide what you want to do, go in, select what parameter you want to change, yeah, change that parameter, and then you can back out of the menu. Yeah, may look familiar to a lot of people in terms of the way the user interface looks. Excuse me. This is effectively looking at the back of the unit. So what we supply the unit with is effectively breakout cables that will automatically plug directly into the insert points of the mixing desk, as previously described. Here we've got the analog inputs and outputs. Yeah, because we've now stolen the input points, insert points on the desk, we echo a number of the insert points back so that you can still plug a compressor or an EQ unit into, say, the lead vocal or whatever. Excuse me. We've got digital audio clocking so that we can clock the device together. The USB connection. We can plug a keyboard in so that you can either rename songs or name individual tracks so that it's easy when you get the disc back to the studio. We can accept linear time code, we can accept MIDI time code, and we can accept 9-pin control from Sony 9-pin or MIDI machine control. And that's obviously the headphone input. So the concept is to keep it as simple as possible so that rather than taking a complete rig of a digital audio workstation on tour, you can just take one small rack unit, turn it on, plug it into the desk, press record, forget about it.